All right, welcome back, traders. This is Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Welcome to another session. Today we are going to be doing our pre-week analysis. We have select 4 different pairs: GBP USD, AUD Canadian, Euro USD, and gold. This is for the week of August 24 to the 28th, 2020. So we are going to be trading our system, our multiple time frame system, forex currency. All right, let's get to work, and we want to keep this video short and simple. But before I continue, let me go ahead and give you the forex disclaimer, guys. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So what? Wait. What did you just say? In hundreds of pips. That's what we're here for. Let's go. All right, so here it is. So we have our first pairs of our pre-week analysis. I'm drinking coffee too, guys. Just bear with me too. So this is the first pair. Look at how simple our system is, guys. Look at here. When the brothers and sisters come in, magic arrow come in, boom. It gives us a signal. Brothers and sisters come in, magic arrow come in. Boom, it gives us a signal. Now, so this is what, look at what the market is doing. Look at AUD Canadian is giving us, what do you think it's doing in this particular area, guys? This is what I always tell my traders. Please be careful. Whatever the market is giving you, be careful. Yes, the market is telling us market is in a buy position. But why do you think, what do you think this represent? Because this is very important for you to understand. You need to be trading with rules. If you got no rules, please don't trade, because you will blow your account. This is what the market is going to do this week. Currently, right now, the market is in a pullback position, right? That's what the market is doing. Now, yes, market, they gave us a reversal going in favor of the trend in this particular area. Oops, let me make this smaller. Because if I put it that way, you're not going to be able to read it, right? So, so let's change the shape. Let's put a rectangle on it. So let's put a rectangle here. That's the favor of what you need to be trading. You need to be trading in favor of the trend. Now, pay attention what the market is giving us right now as we speak. The market is giving us a what? What do you think this represents? I just told you on this one. This represents, guys, a continuation of the pullback. Let's do PV because it's not gonna fit in there. That is a continuation of the pullback. That's why you need to be careful. So what I'm expecting to see this week, the week of August 24 to the 28th, I'm expecting to see the market to still push a couple more pairs here, 3-4 more bars, and then I'm looking exact same thing what I have here. Look at here. I had this rectangle. Pay attention at the rectangle box. We're looking here, to be honest, we're looking somewhere in here for a signal to enter on what? What do you think is gonna happen in there? Look, I'm giving you nuggets in here. So we're looking for a sell continuation, because overall here we want to be trading with this guy here. Look, it's telling us in there is a sell. So you want to trade in favor of what the market is doing. If the market is a sell, just go sell. All right. Hopefully this makes sense. All right, let's go to the next one. Hopefully this makes sense. But this is what the market is gonna do this week. Like I said, market is still gonna push up, give us a sell position, bam, it's gonna drop down. All right, guys. There's another trader. I think it's Jay Flores Forex. He does also YouTube video, and his analysis are top notch as well. So if you want to follow him, shout out to him as well. All right, so he's pretty good. Let me go ahead and show you the next pair. Let me do this one. All right, so pay attention to that one. This is Euro USD. Euro USD is, pay attention, because this is, a lot of people are debating this one. Pay attention what the market is giving us here. What? Let me make a rectangle here. Look at how clean it is. Tell us it's in a sell position. Currently, it's dropping us that. But look at this guy. 4 hours just pop in. The candle hasn't closed. But now it's fine because we're going to start a brand new week, right? So what we're looking here is for what? We are looking here for a bullish market. So what we're looking here is, to go up a few more candles. Then it's going to reverse, meeting our 23 Fibonacci line to our 0 Fibonacci line. Then the market will continue as bearish. We're going to come back, guys, on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern time, where we're going to review all this analysis all over again. So if you have any question, drop it below because I'm here live. So hopefully all this makes sense. And just comment, just drop any comments that you may have. I'm here with you. So I'm here. I'm trying to help you out. Comment below. I'm here live. All right. And do me a favor, guys. If you guys find the value of this video, all I'm asking in favor is give me that thumbs up so it can help the algorithm of the YouTube, so I can make more video and be more happy. All right. So also, if you want to join us, our Gold membership, do so is on the description of this video, so you can see the one-on-ones we have done with all the traders and some of the nuggets that we have in there as well. So it's pretty neat. So also check the description of the video if you want to grab our multiple time frame as well. Okay. All right. So hopefully this is making sense for you guys. You guys have any questions so far? Let's do the GBP USD. I did it on one day. I don't know why I did it on one day. Well, let me see if I can fix it on 4 hour. I messed it up. Let me check something real quick, guys. All right, cool. Let's do it live, because look at it here. Here's the dashboard. Let's do it here. So this is what I'm expecting to see this week. Yes, I'm expecting to see the market, to be honest, still gonna drop a few more pair. I would say market is still gonna give us, come back and retest all these lows here. Give us 1-3 more pips, candles, then the market is gonna reverse back and be a bullish market. Because this market here is bullish. But pay attention here. This is called a reversal, guys. This is a reversal. This guy here now still looks like it's gonna go bullish, but it's not fully ready yet. See, it's still waiting for the candle to be closed. So that's what I'm saying. That's what I want this candle. Maybe we're gonna see a few more candles drop down, and then the market will take off as a bullish. Because here, GBP is in a bullish market. Look at this clean setup in there. It's clean. It's bullish. What do you think it's doing? Look, we're here live. Look at here. Look at the dashboard. GBP USD H4 4 hours is telling it's in a bearish position. Yes, it is. 2 candles, right? Look at how amazing this our dashboard is. It says GBP has 2 candles on 4 hours. I'm in 4 hours currently. So you count 2, right? So you go 1, 2. Look, telling you 2 candles down. Look at how clean it is. 2. So how many pips were on those candles? That is the question of the day. All right. So let's say you drop here and you go boom, 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 boom. Where is it? Right here. 146. Oh, that's on the current candle. Here it is. It's telling us it's 24 pips. Look at what it's telling us in there. Look at what the daily is telling us. The daily is telling us it's a fresh signal. It's still in a sell position. Still in a sell position. Look at what the weekly is telling us. The weekly is still telling us it's in a sell position. Look at what the monthly is telling us. Monthly is telling us market is in a bullish position. So yes, that's what I told you earlier. The market, it is in a bullish position. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, so do you guys have any question, guys? Because I'm here live with you. Let me go ahead and try to answer some of your question, because this is clean. All right, like I said, let me answer some of your question. Let me put this in case you want to join us. The link is in the description of this video. All right, cool. All right, let's go to the next one. Everyone love gold. Gold is the one of is highly requested, and shout out to Ali. I did the analysis on USD peso. Here it is. This is the USD peso. I already did it, but I'm gonna do it on. I'm gonna record a video tomorrow for our weekly full analysis on for the rest of the week. So hopefully that you can watch the video as well. But shout out to you. All right, so this is what gold is doing, guys. Pay attention. It's nice and clean. Love it. Now, look, I've been telling you for a long time, every single movement of gold. Look at how clean my system is, guys. System coming here tell us, oh yes, it's in a sell position. I told everyone when the market was going to drop here. Boom, it dropped. And then I told you guys when the market was going to take a bullish position. Boom, market did exactly what I told you. Now look at here. This is what we're looking for, guys. We're looking for this guy to be in a continuation of the sell. Look at what the market is doing currently right now. Look at this candle. This candle already closed. So that means this week, look at it. Look at the dots in there. Dot is in there as well. Let me delete this. This is a good training, guys. I'm giving you extra than just an analysis. Look at here. Candle close. Boom, boom, boom. Perfectly. Look at that. One dot is in there already. So that represents that this candle here is forming. So yes, we're still looking for market to still go bullish. 1 or 2 or 3 more candle. Then what do you think is going to do next? Go ahead. Type it below, guys. Type it below. Because believe me, this training here is freaking amazing. I gave you a lot of stuff. So just to show you how our multiple time frame works. If you want to get a copy of it, send me a message. The link is below. Let's go. Let's work together as a team. But that is what the market is going to do this week. So I'm looking here, to be honest. Pay attention to this. I'm looking here for what? Look at what the comments are writing. They said, someone said, but it's a sell. Correct. And the drop is going to be very healthy, guys. Very healthy. Boom. So we're looking for what? A continuation of a what? We need this guy here. Now we needed the guy to be on this position here. That's what we're looking for. What do you think? Hopefully this makes sense, guys. Because, I mean, look, keep this business very, very simple. Don't overcomplicate it, because there's no need to overcomplicate your stuff. Okay? This is, to be honest, this is an amazing one. Can you and also I'm working on the next analysis for the rest of the week, so hopefully all that is gonna make sense to you guys. And so I mean, and like I say, you know, if you want to join us, join our gold membership area. Take a look at it, how we do things behind scene. If you are convinced, then you can say, okay, Irving, I'm in. What else do I need to do? And let me know if you sign up as well, because I need to send you some extra tools so you can be in it. All right, fully. All right. So do you guys have any question, guys? And also, guys, before I let you go, look at the guy here. This is real stuff here. Look at this guy. Look, using our multiple time frame, they're making money. And it's so on and on and on. Look at this other guy. Boom, boom, boom. TeamWithERVING. Let's go. And it's like that. I just created a brand new one. Look at here. Boom, more money on it. Look, this is the USD peso. Look at that, money. This is pretty neat, guys. Look at that, 175. Look at the setup. Here's the system. USD, boom. Look at that. Love it, man. Look at this. More money on it. It's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Look, and one thing, guys. If you join the Gold membership, this is what I do in there. If you join the Gold membership on our Gold on our YouTube, this is what I like to teach people. To be honest, I detest when I see people teaching all data. Because forget it, man. To be honest, forget about that stuff. You will never, ever in your life will make a damn penny out of it. You need to be trained real time. Because real time, yes, we can learn the history of the back data, but real time is all it matters. Exactly the same way that we do in our analysis. It's real time. I need to know what the market is gonna do in the next day. I need to know what the market is need to be doing for the whole week. That is how you will make money. Yeah, don't get me wrong. I would look good. Anyone would look good on back data. I would say, oh, Irving, look at the sell. Oh, look at the buy. Gorgeous. Look at this buy here. Oh, gorgeous. Look at this sells. Look at this buy. Yeah, I would look good. Look at this sell here. Ah, real time. What is real time telling you with multiple time frame system, guy? It's telling you it's in a freaking buy position. But this is what I like to teach people. Only real time. Pay attention, only people. And for some reason, people they want to be teach only back data. Back data will not make you money. Stop thinking that way, guys. Stop it. Stop it. And another great advice is stop looking for. Look, here's where the money is, guy. The money is in this position here. It's in 4 hours. It's in daily, it's in weekly, and it's in monthly. That's where the money is. Once you know what these guys are doing, you can do whatever you want on any baby. I call this baby time frame because that's what they are. They are baby. Do not analyze the market on the baby time frame, and you want this guy to do exactly what these guys are doing. It's not gonna happen. I'm sorry. You will blow your account. You will win some trades, don't get me wrong, but at the end of the month, guess what? Market will eat your account, and you will be like, "What the hell am I'm doing wrong?" I'm just telling you. I want to be honest. I want to keep the YouTube honest and honest and honest. You don't like it? Well, you can unsubscribe, do whatever you want, but I'm just want to help you make tons of money out of it because there is a lot of money in this market. All right, so hopefully all this makes sense, guys, because to be honest, today this class is on fire. To be honest, I'm giving you a lot of great stuff, and hopefully everything is making sense, because if it's not making sense, I mean, it's nothing I can do. But hopefully go ahead and comment below because I'm here live. All right, guys, so please pay attention on tomorrow full week analysis for the week of August 24 to the 28th. We are gonna be, that's the weekly forecast. If you want to share this video, please do so. Spread the bless to others. All right, so thank you again. God bless you. God bless the United States of America. Let's go, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care, guys. So be happy. Take care. All right. Thank you, guys. God bless you. Let's go. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.